Hello everyone. Welcome to Mahdi English School. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As you all know that right now we are in the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn subject Maths. You all are ready, my dear? Let's begin the class with a very beautiful thought. Thought for the day is, if you don't make mistakes, you are not working on hard enough problems. And that's a big mistake. The thought is, if you don't make mistakes, you are not working on hard enough problems. And that's a big mistake. Welcome to the class of mathematics. As I told you yesterday that from next lecture we will start next chapter, which is shapes and patterns. You all are ready to know about the shapes? Listen, my dear students, before starting the topic, I have some presentation for you. You all have to watch it carefully and identify the things which I am going to display. You all are ready for new experience? Wants to know something more about the shapes? But before starting that, you have to memorize the things, you have to watch the things and think. Why? You have to think by watching this what we are going to learn. Okay? So, let's begin. Look, what is this? This is the globe of Earth. As you all know that we live on this Earth. Okay? Look, what next? Do you know what is this? This is the CD. Okay? Which we can use to see the movies or educational videos as well as for listening the Quran. Okay? Wants to see something more? Yes, I have so many things for you. Wait for it. What is this? Who observe this and identify what is this? This is the button. Okay? What is this? Yes, you all know this and you all love this. This is the pizza. Look where my cursor runs. You all have to observe this, and think in your mind why in the maths lecture you have the presentation like this. I'll tell you afterwards. Till then, look where my cursor runs. What does it say? Look at this. This is a ball. Now observe the pattern where my cursor runs. What do you think in your mind? What is this? This is the wheel. Now observe where my cursor runs. Wow, what is this? This is a gift box. Now observe where the cursor goes. What it shows. Wow, what is this? This is a cube. Have you used to play with it? Look, now observe my cursor. What does it tells? By observing the movement of cursor, what do you think in your mind? Yes, this is the dais. Look where my cursor moves. What does it tells to you? Can you imagine, my dear? I have something more for you. The wall clock. Now observe the pattern where cursor moves. What do you imagine by this? By observing all these things, what we are going to learn about? Wow! The samosas. Look now. By observing the movement of cursor, what do you think? Wow, a slice of watermelon. Now observe the movement of cursor. What does it tells? The movement of cursor. What does it tells? What do you think in your mind? Wow, a slice of pizza. Before this, we watched full pizza. Look. Have you observed the movement of cursor? What does it tells? Look. I am going to move the cursor again. Okay. What does it tells? What we are going to learn with the help of these objects? Wow, the emoji. What does it tells? Think in your mind. Wants to see something more? Wow, this is the door. Now observe the pattern, the movement of cursor. What does it tells? Your book. Look. You have to observe the movement of cursor, my dear. Now you imagine what we are going to learn? Yes, diary. You have to just observe the movement of my cursor. What does it tells? What we are going to learn today? Look, this is the photo frame. Again, look at the movement of cursor. Okay. Yes, you are right. We are going to learn about shapes. By watching different shapes of objects, now you might imagine that we are going to learn about the shapes. So, what we are going to learn about shapes in this chapter? What's new for us? Let's see. We are going to learn a name of shapes. Compare the shapes. Sides of shapes. Match the shapes. We also learn complete the pattern. I would like to repeat the content again. We will learn a name of shapes. Comparing the shapes. Sides of shapes. Match the shapes. And also we learn complete the pattern. Wow! Which shape is this? Now have you observed the movement of the cursor which I told you before? Yes, this is the circle. The spelling of circle is C-I-R-C-L-E. The spelling of circle is CIRCLE. This is the square. Look at the square. The spelling is SQUARE. You have to memorize the spellings, okay? SQUARE. Square. This is triangle. Look the movement of the cursor. Yes, this is triangle. Okay. Whenever we were observing the objects, which objects were belongs to the triangle? Do you remember? Which objects were belongs to triangle? The slice of pizza. Then, yes, your favorite samosa. Do you remember that? Okay. Spelling of triangle is TRIANGLE. TRIANGLE. You have to write these spellings in your homework, okay? And you have to memorize this spelling, the name of shapes, okay? Look, which shape is this? Observe the movement of cursor. Yes, you are right. This is rectangle. So, which objects were belongs to the rectangle? The door, book, diary. Do you remember that? So, let's memorize the spelling or name of rectangle. Repeat after me. RECTANGLE. 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 Look, what is this? After watching this presentation, now you can recognize. What is this? Who tells me? Yes, this is circle. So, what does circle tells us? Let's see. The shape says us, I am a circle. What does it say? I am a circle. I made up with one cow. How? Look, this is made up of a single cow. Okay, there is not any joint, not any lines. This is made up of only one cow. Okay, so we can say that circle has no sides. It is made up of one cow only. Let's repeat. What does the circle says? It says, I am a circle. I made up with one cow. Which shape is this? By observing all the presentation, now you can recognize. Which shape is this, my dear? Yes, this is square. SQUARE, square. This is square. Okay. Now, Now you observe the square properly. Look, this is the side of square. This is one side. This is second. This is third. And this is fourth. This is one side of square, two side of square, 3 and 4. Now let's see what this shape tells us. It tells us that I am a square. What this shape tells us? That I am a square. I have 4 sides. I have 4 sides. Now, can you count the sides? Look, this is one side. This is second side, third side and fourth side. So we can say that square is made up of 4 sides. Okay? Which shape is this? Yes, this is triangle. 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 Which shape is this? Triangle. So, would you like to count the sides of triangle? This is side number 1. Okay? This is 2. And this is side number 3. So, we can say that triangle is made up of 3 sides. Okay? Now look, what does triangle says us? Yes, triangle says us that I am a triangle. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. Triangle is made up of 3 sides. Okay? Which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangle. So, now we know about the sides of rectangle. This is the side number 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay, we can say that rectangle is made up of 4 sides. Have you observed in this shape, these both sides are same. And these both sides are same. Look, this is the square and all sides of square are same. Observe this pattern properly, that all the 4 sides are same in size, but in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Look, these opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal in rectangle. Now see, what does this shape tells us? It says us, I am a rectangle. I am a rectangle and I have 4 sides. Okay? We can say that rectangle is made up of 4 sides, but all sides are not equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle shape. Now let's learn compare the shapes. How can we compare the shapes? Let's see. First of all, we will learn about same shape and same size. Nazanin made some sweets and placed them on a plate. Look, this is a plate where she placed some pieces of sweets. She ate these 2 pieces. Look, She ate these 2 pieces of sweets. What do you notice about the shape and size of these shoe pieces? By observing these shoe pieces, what do you say? What you have observed? Tell me, then I will explain. Okay? They are both the same shape and the same size. Look at this. These both are as same shape and same size. Ring the one that is the same shape and size. Ring the one that is the same shape and size. So, here we have to compare the size of shape. Look, this is circle. Here we have square. This is the circle, triangle and circle. Now observe properly. Look at the screen properly, my dear students. This is the circle. This is also circle. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the same shape. So these both are the same shape object. But we also have to find out same size object. So among these 4 objects, which is the same size object? This one or this one? What do you say? Which is the same size object? Yes, this one. Okay? Now this is square. Look at the given picture. This is the square. Again we have the square. We have square. Then we have triangle. So first of all we have to find out the same shape. These both are square. But here we also have to find out same size. So which object is the same size object? This one or this one? Look at the screen properly and observe, my dear. Which is the same size object? Is this or is this? Yes, this is. Okay? Which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangle. Now look at the pattern. This is the square. Here we have rectangle. We have also again rectangle and triangle. So first of all, let's find out the same shape. These both are rectangles. Okay? So, which is in the same size also. Look at the screen properly and observe which is the same size. Is this or this? Yes, this is the same size object. I hope you all understand well how to compare the shape by its size. Now we will learn about same shape. Nazanin was using special plates while laying the table for the Eid feast. What do you notice about the shape of the plates? Look, this is the 2 plates which she has arranged on the table. What do you notice about these both plates? What is your first impression by watching these plates? About their size or shape? First of all, you recognize that they both are made up of circle shape. Am I right? So, they both are circles. But do you think there is any difference? What is the difference? Yes, the difference is about size. They are of different size. This is the big one and this is smaller. Same size. Now look at these 2 plates. What do you notice about them? Look, these are 2 plates. What do you notice about that? That first of all they both are circle. Am I right? Look, this is also circle shaped plate. This is also circle shaped plate. So they are both at the same size. Look at the size of the plates, that they both are in the same size. ring the one that is the same shape. Now we have to find out the same shape object. This is the triangle, then we have the square, after that circle, and here we have the triangle. So we have to circle the same shape object, which is triangle. Let's make a circle around it. This is rectangle. In this column we have square, then we have rectangle and circle. Observe the pattern, my dear. Look at the screen. Where should we make circle? Here or here? As this is the circle. This is square and rectangle. So where should we make circle? Yes, on this rectangle. Okay. Now look at here. Which shape is this? Yes, this is square. Now find out square here. Which shape is this? This is triangle. This is circle. And this is square. So where should we make circle? Yes, we have the square shape. So we have to make circle around square only. Okay. Now ring the one that is the same size. We have to find out the same size object. Okay. Look, this is the square. And here we have 3 squares in option. And we have to find out the same size square. Okay. So what do you say? Which is in the same size? This one or this one? Look at the screen properly. Yes, this is in the same size. Make a circle around it. Look at there. This is a triangle. Now look at the given option. We have 3 different size of triangles here. And we have to find out the same size triangle. Observe it properly. Should I make circle here or here? What do you say? Yes, I have to make circle around this triangle. Okay. Now look, we have the rectangle. And in option we have 3 different size of rectangle. By observing this, what do you say? Which is in the same size? Either this or this or this one. What do you say? Now I want to make circle around this. Is it okay then? No. My dear students, this is the same size object. Okay. So we have to make circle around this. Okay. Have you understand the shapes properly? And now which time is this? This is the time of learning tables. So which table we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn table of 5. Speak with me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So, make practice of every subject at your home. Stay safe. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, my dear students.